Good afternoon. This is Michael Workman with this week's Resin Market Moves. Rainy Saturday here on February 14th here in the Dallas Fort Worth area. We had a great week this week at Resin Smart. We hosted a session called Why Resin Forecasts Break and how to defend them, how buyers defend them. And honestly, it's really a testament to what's going on here in early 2026. Real world case studies everywhere. Let's talk about polyethylene. Preliminary January inventory data showed an increase of 289 million pounds, but producers are still pushing 5 cents per pound. You might ask yourself, how can that be? Well, because markets don't move just on one number, they move on leverage. Now, operating rates are back up and near the 90% level. There is a force majeure that INEOS has declared that remains in play and is hindering the pipe in the fill market. And then there's turnaround season in certain feedstock assets, and those are the signals. And that's why we are seeing an increase in polyethylene right now. In polypropylene, it's all about feedstock, polymer grade propylene. It's over 33 cents a pound and really pushing cost pressure up on the polymer. In polystyrene, benzene is above $3 a gallon, which is supporting proposed increases, even though there is very weak demand in polystyrene end markets. In the engineered resin world, ABS, polycarbonate, fairly stable pricing with weak demand, but feedstock pressures are starting to build, and we've seen certain producers testing the market with increases there. PVC turnaround season in that market is creating some artificial tightness right now, as new home housing numbers remain very poor. In fact, some of the poorest that we've seen in the last several years with the recent numbers that came out. PET is still soft as well. And if you watched our webinar, you know we discussed 9 procurement levers. The teams that win this year in 2026 are not predicting things perfectly, but they're monitoring those 9 signals and being able to change their forecasts and explain why things evolve. If you want help building the forecast that stands up to the scrutiny, we're here for you. Have a great week. And as Kevin McCarro says, purchase wisely.